Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to set up membership questions in communities on Funneltopia. So those are essentially the questions you ask when somebody is signing up for your community. You can ask them like just different types of questions or just, I don't know, stuff like how did you hear about us, or do you agree to the group rules, right? So that can be part of the sign up process. By default it's not, but you can set up questions as part of the sign up process. So where you want to go is in the back end, you want to go to memberships, communities, groups. So here we have a community set up already, like this sub account is related to corgis, so this is kind of like a mock-up one, like a community for corgis. So let's click on login. So this logs us in as an admin. And then once you're in, you want to click on settings over here and then membership questions over here. So there's three types of questions you can do. And we can see it here, text box, single select, multiple select. So I'm just going to do all three types just so you can see what they look like. So I have them written down just so I don't have to wing it. It could be something like, how did you hear about us? Right? And they can write in their answer. So let's click on save. Second one could be single select. How many corgis do you have? And it can be, I don't know, 0 to 1. Another one can be 2 to 5. And then it can be, I don't know, dozens. Save. So that's the second one where they can select only one. A third one would be something like multiple select, and it would be, why do you want to join this community? And then we have the responses similar to the last one, only they can select one or all of them. To learn more about corgi care, stories and photos of other corgis. So let's do something like that. Let's save. And now we have the questions. We can switch them on now. This is important, toggle switch. Another one can be technically, do you agree with the group rules? Yes, no. Obviously, you have to state them beforehand, what the group rules are and all that stuff. So yeah, we can do that. But now we can save and we can go, I'm just going to invite myself and then we'll go through it as the end user. So I'm going to send myself an invitation. So 1 second. Yep, so I got the link, I got an invitation, as you can see at the top. So essentially the first step is just simple as that, right? They fill out their name, email, and their password. Then the second step is they receive like a 6-digit code in that email, just like a double opt-in type of thing, right? And I'm going to fill in the code. And then hopefully we're going to land at the questions. So bear with me on the first two steps, the actual just like putting in my email and then the code. Okay, we're verifying the security code, and yeah, so I put in the name. I got this the security code. I put it in as step 2, and step 3 is how did you hear about us? I don't know, YouTube, for example. How many corgis do you have? 0, 1, and we can select these two, right? These are like multiple. You don't have to select all of them, but you can select all of them if you want. So let's submit. I guess, yeah, in this case, I guess the last thing I can show you, yeah, membership pending. So I can log in as an admin and show you, because this is like a manual approval thing, right? Now I just realized I signed up and it's the admin actually has to approve. So let's go actually check it out just so you can see from the admin side what those submitted questions look like. So now I'm logged back in as an admin. So I think it was here under notifications. Yep. This person requested you to join this group. So we can click on it. Here's the person. Here you can click on the 3 dots. Membership answers, right? This is what I submitted just now, but now I'm an admin. I'm not the end user. Membership answers. You see all the answers. This is all good. Okay, you can approve the client. So I'm just going to approve. And now the person is, right? So that's a bit of a mistake on my end before. So yeah, now they're in. And yeah, so that's the whole process, kind of a lengthier one. If you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, as per usual, down here, 24/7 chat support, let us know. I'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.